600 years ago, in the 15th century, Korea built something the world did not expect. Its name is Sin-gi-jeon. Sin-gi-jeon was not a bow, and it was not a cannon. It was a rocket weapon. Powered by gunpowder propulsion, Sin-gi-jeon launched rocket-driven arrows. Across the battlefield, filling the sky with fire and smoke. These weapons were not fired one by one. Sin-gi-jeon was launched in volleys, dozens at the same time, designed to shatter formations and overwhelm entire armies. While much of the world relied on cannons, Korea engineered an early multiple rocket launch system. Sin-gi-jeon was standardized, mass-produced, and used in real combat. This was not legend. This was not myth. Before modern missiles, before modern rockets, there was Sin-gi-jeon.